Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really good. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very amazing remedy to add in your hair care routine. I'll be making the flaxseed gel hair mask. It helps your hair grow faster and longer by providing nourishment to the hair and scalp. This is one of the best hair treatments that I have used so far. So I'll be showing the method of this amazing gel, the benefits for your hair, how to use it and how it worked for me. So keep watching till the end. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now and hit the bell button too. Flax seeds are so beneficial for your hair and scalp. They are the seeds of the flax plants. The main nutrients found in flax seeds are omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins and vitamin E. All these are really beneficial for the hair growth and improvement of hair texture. Omega-3 fatty acids make your hair strong, improve the elasticity of your hair. These acids provide moisture to the hair so the dry, damaged hair are nourished well. All the nutrients ensure that the new hair are strong and healthy. Flaxseed gel is also very effective for issues like dandruff, hair loss, and scalp eczema. This gel also works well for breakage of hair and split ends if used on a regular basis. Vitamin E present in the gel helps support healthy scalp and hair as it has natural antioxidant effects that would assist with maintaining the hair growth. Vitamin E is also very good for blood circulation. B vitamins are known for making your hair grow stronger and healthier at a more rapid rate. Flaxseed gel provides the right amount of moisture to the hair to ensure the healthy growth. Now making the flaxseed gel is really very easy. All you need for that is water and flax seeds. To make this gel, take a quarter cup of flax seeds and 2 cups of water in a saucepan. After that, put your burner on high and let the mixture boil. After 2 minutes, start stirring the mixture with a spoon so that the gel doesn't stick to the pan. After 3 to 4 minutes, you will see that the gel has started bubbling. Once the gel is boiling, you will see a white froth on top. Just simmer it for a few seconds. The longer you do it, the thicker the gel will be. If you want to use the gel before shampoo, don't boil it for long. Also, it will be difficult for you to strain it if it is thick. But if you wish to use this as a styling gel, you can boil it for a bit longer. Now you can see that the mixture is looking like this and you can check the consistency with the spoon. It is showing the perfect consistency of the gel. Now when it's done, switch off the burner and after that it's time to strain the gel. For that I have taken a mesh strainer and a bowl. If you are straining the hot gel, it becomes easy to do it because the gel thickens when it cools down. Straining the gel hotter will give you more gel. If the gel has become thick, you can also use a muslin cloth to strain it in a bowl. After you are done straining, you can use it right away from the bowl or you can also store it in a jar and keep it in the fridge. The stored gel can be used for around a month. Now to use this flaxseed gel as a pre-shampoo treatment, first of all brush or comb your hair to remove all the tangles. Then take the gel on your hand and start applying it to the dry hair. Apply the gel all over the hair and scalp. You don't need a lot of amount, just take enough to cover the hair. Do focus on applying the gel on the scalp as it is really helpful in new hair growth. I have long hair so all the gel is used at one time. If it's left for you, you can store it in the fridge for next time. After applying this gel to the scalp and hair, cover your head with the shower cap and leave it on for around 30 minutes. Then you can shampoo the hair and rinse it out. It's really easy to wash the hair and you will be surprised to see the results. Your hair will become soft and smooth. If you have dry hair, you can also use the flaxseed gel as a conditioner to retain the moisture after a wash. It can be used as a styling gel as I told you earlier. For a pre-shampoo treatment, this gel can be used 3 to 4 times a week. As a conditioner, you can use it every day as well. Be regular in using these remedies for healthy and fast hair growth as these remedies take time. I just loved how this treatment has worked for my hair. As soon as I wash my hair and they are dried, I see a very pretty natural shine. My hair texture has improved. My hair are straight and they were a bit dry these days, so this gel has made my hair really soft and smooth. The moisture is properly retained in my hair now because this gel helps to produce the right amount of oil in your hair. Track your hair growth, and after using the Flexi Gel, see the difference yourself. I have noticed faster hair growth myself. I felt that this gel nourishes the hair really well. If you have curly hair, you can apply this gel after shower on wet hair and leave it on so the curls won't be crunchy. Your hair will stay in place if you use it as a styling gel. Above all, the most amazing benefit is that the gel promotes hair growth and improves hair health as it is filled with nutrients. It's better than any gel you buy from the market as it is totally natural and has no side effects. So I would highly recommend you to try it out. So that was all on the Flexseed gel. I hope you all found my video helpful. Give it a big like and let me know in the comments if you are going to try it out or if you have tried it. I would love to know the results. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all soon. Have a great day. Much love and stay blessed.